Hey everybody, it's Katie. Today I'm going to show you how to use my printable template for an 8-page zine. You can see this one in particular is very basic, and I will include a link in the notes below where you can get this. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love making zines, and I tend to start my zines by just creating a background of colors and collage on the entire sheet of paper before I even fold my zine. So that's what I'm getting into right now. I'm just playing around with some colored pencils. I just found these at an art store here in Lisbon, and they're nice and vibrant and fluorescent, which I'm very much into these days. So as a way to just get started, I tend to just make marks. And that's something I encourage others to do, where it can feel intimidating to start a new project. So just have fun with it, make some marks, play with some of the art supplies you have, and just get at it. The nice thing about this method of making a zine is that you kind of have to give up control because you don't know exactly where each of your marks are going to land, what page they're going to be on. So you can kind of just play around here and have some fun. So I'm going to use, like I mentioned, those colored pencils. I have some paint markers as well. And then, as always, I have some of the papers that I've collected over the years. A lot of them are very bright and vibrant. And then I'll also pull out some washi tape here in a little bit. And I'm using really basic materials here. The glue I'm using is just like an Elmer's glue. So I always encourage you to use what you have on hand. And before I move this video a little faster, I am just curious, if you've been watching for a while, have you created a zine? How's it going? Are you feeling stuck in any way? How are you using your zines? Fill me in, leave a comment below, and just let me know how it's going. All right, I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit here and get some music going, and I will check back in with you at the end of the video. Enjoy. So now I'm going to fold the zine, and these are basic folds, which again have been recorded in so many of my videos. So basically you fold the paper in half and then fold each half into each other, and then you open it back up and fold your paper like a hot dog, just like this, and give it a good crease, and then fold it back in half again and give it a cut just along the inside crease. And then you will have your zine and you'll have all your different pages. So that's really exciting to see this part come together. And then what I like to do is just add a couple extra details towards the end, which you'll see I'm doing here. Basically any white space that I feel like it needs a little bit of color, I will go back and just use my markers or highlighters and just kind of fill in any gaps that I see. And you can do this for as long as you would like. You can add so many details to your zines and make it super fun. So just, again, have fun with it, play with it, and do what feels good. For my favorite part, here is my completed zine, and I will go back and add some text in the next video and show you how I do that. But then don't forget, after you make your zine, to unfold it, because that is always so exciting to see the whole entire sheet of paper together. There you go. So beautiful and fun. All right, I will check in with you guys soon, and I hope you're having a great day. Cheers.